Animal dens. Some animals, like foxes and rabbits, make dens to live in. A den can be a cozy hole in the ground or a hidden spot under bushes or rocks. It's where they feel safe from other animals and bad weather. Turtle shells. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. Their hard shells protect them from danger. When a turtle feels scared, it can tuck its head and legs safely inside its shell until it feels safe again. Birdhouses. Have you ever seen a birdhouse in someone's yard? It's like a tiny house for birds. People put up birdhouses to help birds find a safe place to build their nests and raise their babies. They come in all shapes and colors to attract different kinds of birds. Anthills. Ants live in big hills underground called anthills. Inside these hills, ants have rooms where they keep their eggs safe and store food they find. They work together as a team to build their homes and keep them clean. Bees and their hives. Bees live in hives, which are like busy bee cities. They make their hives from wax and fill them with sweet honey. Bees work hard collecting nectar from flowers to make honey and take care of their queen. Rim gazelles. Rim gazelles are beautiful animals. They live in the Sahara Desert. They are found in Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, and Egypt. They feed on grass and plants. They have big ears and long horns. Their pale coats reflect the rays of the sun to prevent overheating, and their hooves enable them to walk on sand. They spend their time in small family groups. Fennec fox. Fennec foxes are the smallest foxes in the world. The fennec fox lives in the desert. It weighs around 1 kilogram. It has big ears to hear insects and small animals. The fennec fox eats insects, lizards, and small mice. It's very hot in the desert during the day. The fennec fox loses heat from its ears. At night, it's cold in the desert. The fennec fox's thick fur keeps it warm. Camels. Camels are very helpful. They're strong, beautiful animals. They can carry people and things to cross the desert. They have large, flat feet so they can walk on the sand. They can live without water for a long time. They store water and fat in their humps. We can use their fur to make clothes. Their milk is delicious. Camels are amazing creatures. Spider webs. Spiders are clever builders too. They spin sticky webs from silk to catch insects for food. Spider webs can be found in all sorts of places like bushes, trees, or even inside your house.